Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today is my Freebie Friday video. I have 51s here and we're gonna go ahead and we'll do another six-sided die. We did that on Monday too. And see how much is gonna go into these 6 challenges. And again, I switched out my binders. This is one I was using to use at work. So I brought this home, got a different one for that. Actually, I just swapped them out. I took my black ones to work. And this one's been beat up a little bit, but it's all right. It'll work for what I need it to do, so that's fine. But let's go ahead and start rolling the die to see how much is gonna go into each challenge. And we're gonna start with this one. Let's go ahead and see. So that's a 1. 5. How is everybody's week going? Okay, I want to make sure that said 3. Mine went well. I wasn't ready to go back to work. That's a 1. I'm having a hard time. The older I get, the worse my eyes are getting. 4. 3. So let me think. What is one thing that you received that you got for Christmas? And leave that in the comment section. I'm kind of curious as to what some of you got or received. And it doesn't have to be worth a lot. It doesn't have to be cheap either, I guess. It could be more expensive. All gifts are nice. Exactly 6. That's amazing. All right, so we stopped on this one, so we're going to start on this one next week. And I am filming at my kitchen, so if it's like echoey, I apologize. If you hear my cat's jingles, I apologize. If you hear traffic, I have my door open because I'm sweating. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. I have a feeling I know what that's about, but I hope not. My age, yeah, it probably has something to do with it, but I probably shouldn't say it on, I don't know if there's any men watching or what, but womanly things at a certain age. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump into this so I can go stick my head in the freezer. All right, so this Christmas challenge I did start at the beginning of December, end of November maybe. Each one is worth $1, and I've received $2 on this one today. So let's go ahead and mark 2 of those off. And there is some money in here. It's gonna go into family fun. And in total, this challenge has saved me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I knew I wanted to do Christmas challenges. I just didn't know how much time I would have. So that's kind of why it's worth $1. It's not for any other reason other than it was a busy holiday season. All right, this little Frosty the Snowman challenge is going to be worth $1. It's going to go into my emergency fund. I haven't worked on that a whole lot recently, so I wanted to put some money in here. And today this challenge received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So let's go ahead and mark off 5 of these. And that's its first 5. And I do have a coffee shop. I don't know why I keep saying coffee. I believe it's coffee shop. It'll be linked in the description box. And if you don't see anything you like or any freebies that you want or anything you want to buy for $1 or $2, just maybe follow me. I'd really appreciate that. This is a little Rudolph challenge. It's going to go into family fun, and today this challenge received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. And I believe this one's worth 2 because I didn't have it wrote down. Yep. Each one of these are worth 2. I'll just put one up front. It's going to go into family fun. And I'm going to mark off 5 of these. And if I mess up, please tell me, because I have still not got my you-know-what together. I'm still trying. All right. And in total, this challenge received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So $14 into family fun. $15 if you want to count that one. Next up is a little Christmas tree challenge. It's worth $3 each. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe because it was going to go into pets. But today this challenge received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to go ahead and put $2 up front and mark off 4 of these. Make sure my math is mathing. And then I put the other 2 up there. And so far this challenge has saved me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This challenge is going to go on a vacation. It's just one I made. It hasn't been started yet. So this challenge received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll make each one of these worth 2. And that's its first 8. And last but not least is this reading one. That's not even going to go into my book fund. It's going to go into pets because books are not a priority right now. Even though I have probably at least 3 on my list that I want to read for the next month or 2. But this one needs just $10 more. So let's see how much it received. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Going into pets. And I don't know if I want to keep that one there or not. So in total, this challenge has saved me 20, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, and 45. Let me go ahead and mark this one off. And that one is complete. I'm not quite used to writing that yet. At work I do, but I still have to stop and catch it. And that is it for this challenge. And I didn't bring a paper clip, and I'm not even gonna run and get one. Yes, I am, because I want to go run and get a challenge. All right, so I am going to keep it in pets. I'm going to keep that going. I did take a glance at my binder as I went and got some paper clips. Because I don't have it sitting beside me and I'm batch filming. All right, so I want to keep pets in here. I did grab a paper clip. And I'm going to put in this challenge I made. I think it's in my coffee shop. I might have changed it up a little bit, but yeah, it's in there. I'm not sure how much each one of these are going to be worth yet. We'll figure it out. There's some wintry ones I want to kind of get through before the winter weather is up. I'm just going to keep the little wintry theme going. And yeah, I might have some Harry Potter savings challenges from Bookish Mama budgets that I kind of want to do. And that's like something that we do as a family here. We watch all the Harry Potter movies during Christmas and not Halloween. So yeah, I don't know if anybody else does that or any movies that you watch during Christmas. Let me know that also in the comment section. I'd really appreciate that. But that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed talking with everybody, and I hope everybody has an awesome weekend, and hopefully you guys all tune in tomorrow for my Saturday morning savings. I'd really appreciate that. But until then, bye everyone.